The piano has a lot of keys, but finding them is actually really easy. Today, I'll show you a simple way to find your piano keys every single time. Let's go. We have learned about the pattern of keys on the piano, right? We looked at the black ones and we found that there's a pattern of 3 keys together, then 2, then 3, then 2, and it keeps going. We learned about the D for doggy in between the 2 black keys, right? The doggy's face was a D. But now I want you to find a new key and a new letter. It's called C. And in the alphabet, C comes before D, right? And the same thing is true when we look at the white piano keys. The C is before the D. So can we find it? There's the D, and right before it is the C. Now the C is really important in music because it starts something called a C scale, and we're gonna use that a lot. The scale in music is when notes are in a pattern of sounds. So let's do our C scale together. So the first one we're gonna find is C. And what comes after C? It's D, right? And that D should be between the 2 black keys. And what's after that? C, D, E in the alphabet and E on the piano. C, D, E, and what's next? It's F, right? F. After F, we find a G. C, D, E, F, G. But here's the special part, okay? There are no more letters in music after G. Usually there would be an H. C, D, E, F, G, H. But no H in music. We have to start at the beginning of the alphabet with the letter A. So after G in our scale and on the keyboard, we find an A. And what comes after A in the alphabet? It's a B, right? And then next is another C. So from C all the way back to C is the C scale. Now we're going to play the C scale and listen to how it sounds in this lesson. Are you ready? If your child enjoyed this lesson and felt successful, that's exactly how we teach at My Music Workshop. We guide kids step by step through the piano, drums, singing, and more, focusing on small wins that build real confidence. You can learn more using the link in the description. I'll see you next time.